Well, hey guys, welcome back in the garage. Now in today's video we're going to be sorting out the Super Duke R with some crash protection. So I'm going to be installing some crash bars from SwMotech along with some axle sliders, the front axle sliders. So we're going to get they buggers onto that there bike. Instructions are always really good illustrated. Now SwMotech do say that you have to remove or install the left crash bar before the right hand one, so seems to be important. So remove these two engine bolts first. Let's hope that the engine doesn't fall out onto the floor. Ooh. Bit. So we need left hand 1x bolt, 1x large washer, times 2 spacers, 2 small spacers. Now they recommend as well to Loctite the bolts, so we shall take that with us. A bit of Loctite on there. You can probably see there they stick out far enough that it protects pretty much bottom and top of the fairing, which is good. You got to remember that crash protection is sort of damage limitation, not sort of complete prevention. Every crash is different, so but definitely will protect you well enough if you do have a drop. If you do drop it, obviously it's going to smash my mirror, but it protects your engine casings. All the expensive parts are then sort of covered. So according to the user's manual, remaining screws, chassis box, screw engine bearer, it's going to be M10, 45 Newton meters. So we should go 40. Right. Nearly got to test the left-hand crash bar. Freaking dropped it. Made a right mess here. I don't lose that. Replace it with the SwMotech spindle, and that also needs to be tightened to 45 Newton meters, 32mm socket. 1x bolt, 1x washer. Oh, I don't Loctite these because you tend to remove them every so often just to clean them up. One side is different to the other, so you put your big spacer in, chuck that through. Another bolt, another washer, smaller spacer. and that then goes in this side. So just hold one side in place and then tighten up on whatever side's loosest. Job done. Front axle sliders installed. Last thing left to do is put the dust caps over the screws and we are done. So we've installed the engine crash bars and the front axle sliders just to give that bike a bit of crash protection should a whoopsie happen. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video. Be sure to leave me a thumbs up and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Tidy all this shit up now.